Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is outstanding summer backyard garden decorate ideas. Summer is the perfect time to enhance your backyard garden with beautiful and creative decor ideas. Here are some outstanding suggestions to elevate your outdoor space. Colorful flower beds. Plant vibrant and blooming flowers in various colors and sizes to create eye-catching flower beds. Consider using a mix of annuals and perennials for continuous bloom throughout the summer. Vertical garden. Maximize your space by creating a vertical garden using hanging planters, trestles, or wall mounted containers. These add visual interest and allow you to grow a variety of plants even in limited areas. Fairy lights. Create a magical ambience by draping fairy lights across your backyard. Hang them from trees, wrap them around fence or parasols, or place them in glass jar for charming glow in the evening. So, outdoor rugs and pillows add comfort and style to your outdoor sitting area by incorporating colorful outdoor rugs and cushions. Choose durable weather resistance materials that can withstand the elements. Dye water features. Install a dye water feature like a small fountain, a bubbling rock, or a tabletop waterfall. The sound of running water creates a tranquil atmosphere and add a touch of scenery of your garden. Recycle garden art. Give old items a new life by transforming them into unique garden art pieces. Use recycled materials like wine bottles, paddle, and tin cans to create planters, sculptures, or decorative essence. Hanging baskets. Hang baskets filled with trellising plants and flowers from tree branches or parasols. This add vertical interest to your garden and bring greenery to higher levels. Outdoor dining areas. Set up an inviting outdoor dining space with a table and chairs and accessories. It with colorful tablecloths, vibrant dishware, and lanterns. This creates a perfect spot of enjoying meals with family and friends. Hammock and swing chairs. Install a swing chair in a shed area to create a relaxing oasis in your backyard as cozy pillows and blankets for extra comfort. Dye garden signs. Personalize your garden with homemade signs that display quotations, plants, name, or directions. Use reclaimed wood or repurposed material and paint them with